In the marsh, the seeds will begin to ripen and fall off the stalk. There, they will get covered in cold, wet pluff mud and remain dormant until the early spring. We're going to mimic this step in a much less muddy version. For this step, you'll need your seeds that you collected from the marsh somewhere between October and December. You'll need a bag that is watertight, or you could use a Tupperware or other container as long as it holds water. You'll need water, fresh water, and access to a refrigerator where you can store your seeds undisturbed for 6 to 8 weeks. Once you've collected your seeds in October through December, you should store them within 24 hours. To store your seeds, you'll place them into a watertight container and fill it with fresh water. This container should be labeled with the collection date, number of stalks collected from, and the location you gathered them from. Once you've covered the seeds with fresh water, you'll then place the sealed container into a refrigerator that they can remain undisturbed for 6 to 8 weeks. Remember, keep your seeds cold and wet for 6 to 8 weeks. Don't forget. After 6 to 8 weeks, you will remove them and begin the germination step. Check out that video for more information.